If you're always tired, feel low on stamina, or your energy drops quickly during the day, your circulation and nutrient delivery may need more support. Many people rely on caffeine or sugar for energy, but real lasting energy depends on how well your blood carries oxygen and nutrients through your body. When your circulation slows down, or your body isn't absorbing nutrients efficiently, you'll feel that drop physically and mentally. Today, I'll show you a simple natural juice that supports circulation, endurance, and overall vitality using real whole foods. No powders, no stimulants, just real ingredients your body recognizes and can actually use. This isn't a medical treatment, but it's a supportive wellness drink. That can make a big difference. Start with one whole ripe pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that supports inflammatory balance and protein digestion. Better digestion helps you absorb nutrients more efficiently, which supports energy and recovery. It also adds natural electrolytes and gives the juice a refreshing, sweet taste. Next, add 2 medium carrots. Carrots provide beta-carotene and antioxidants that help protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. Healthy vessels circulate more efficiently. They also support immune and eye health, so it's not just about energy, but full body support. Now add 2 medium green apples. Green apples contain polyphenols that support heart and vascular health, plus soluble fiber compounds that support metabolic balance. They smooth out the flavor naturally, so you don't need to add anything artificial. Now the key ingredient, 1 medium red beet, peeled and chopped. Red beet is widely studied for circulation support. It contains natural nitrates that convert to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps blood vessels relax and widen, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery. That's why beet juice is popular in sports nutrition. 1 medium beet is enough. Add about 1 inch of fresh ginger. Ginger stimulates circulation, supports digestion, and adds a warming effect. Juice everything or blend with a cup of water and strain if you prefer. Keeping the fiber is helpful, but a smoother texture is fine too. How to use it matters. Drink 8 to 10 ounces per serving. Best in the morning, before activity, or mid-morning instead of a sugary drink. Start with 3 to 4 times per week. You don't need it every day. For storage, keep it in a sealed glass jar in the refrigerator and use within 2 to 3 days. Shake well before drinking. Natural separation is normal. Safety note: avoid if you have a kidney stone history, are on strong blood pressure medication, or must limit high oxalate foods. People managing blood sugar should monitor portions due to the fruit content. Food is powerful, but personalization matters. Save this recipe and share it with someone who always feels drained. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, effective wellness remedies.